But the idea is, when you're moving to a different panel, take a dunk inside the rinse bucket. And here is where you're going to do all your scrubbing on these walls here to clean off your mitt or your wash pad. And then you dunk back into your wash bucket and then proceed with your wash. Hey, what's up my people? It's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to my channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Yeah man, today we're going to dive into my bucket setup. I'm going to show you the 3 buckets I use, the 2 bucket wash method, and my wheel bucket. Let's get it. Alright guys, let's talk about the buckets. These are from Autofiber. You have your designated wheel bucket, your designated rinse bucket, and one wash bucket. I love these guys, they're 5 gallons. The reason why I kind of picked them as, you know, surfing around on the net, trying to find some buckets, of course. But these Autofiber ones, I mean, buckets are buckets, right guys? But they had the actual measuring guidelines here for your gallon, 2 gallon. You see the gallon right here, 2 gallon, 3 gallon. I just thought that was cool, just to know exactly how much water I have in my buckets, right? Also, check these out, guys. These dollies. They're made by Guardz. Super cool. They come individually with this piece here. Super durable. They come with the casters. All you do is just, easy to assemble, guys. You just slot them in each of the holes. And then they come with these. All you do is screw them in. They're basically used to keep your bucket secure in the dolly itself. Pretty straightforward, right guys? You can drop your bucket down and you can roll it around to wherever you want while you're working, so you don't have to pick your bucket up manually, right? The part I'm most excited about is the actual filtration system I'm starting to use just recently. Check it out, guys. It's made by Guardz. It's called the Dirt Lock water filtration system. It doesn't come fully assembled like this, guys. Let me break it down for you and show you how it actually comes. This is the main part. This is the filter. These come individually like this, and it drops right down here in your bucket. You can use it just like that and use your wash mitt and scrub on the bottom to loosen up the dirt so it will sit at the bottom, so you'll have clean water on the top. But I highly recommend these attachments that come with it. These are called the scrub wall attachments. When you purchase them, they come in 2. They call this either the 180 degree or the 360 degree. Super easy to connect, guys. You just slide it in like that. Right. So this is the 180 degree version. So again, you can use it just like this. Drop it in your bucket. Fill it up with water, of course. And then the same vibe, guys, but now you actually have this part here like a scrub board. You can actually use your wash pad or wash mitt or whatever you're using and scrub like that to loosen up the dirt. Okay, so we have it like this with the 180 degree, but you can go even further. Buy another set of 2, and now you can make it a full 360 degree setup all around, which I highly recommend, because why not just do it all the way, guys? These products are pretty affordable, so why not? There you go. Just fasten these together like that, and like this. Boom. So as you can see now, you basically have full coverage in your buckets for an awesome water filtration system. Drop it in like that. So easy to set up, guys. Boom. Now you have the full 360 degree coverage to scrub your mitts. Get rid of all the dirt. All the dirt will kind of flow to the back here. They call them dead zones, I believe. And will seep down into the bottom of your bucket, so you'll always have clean water on top. All right, guys, after that explanation, there's nothing better than to see it in action. So let's get to it. right, my people, we're ready for a quick demo. I'm just gonna rinse and wash this panel and show you how you would do it properly, doing the 2-bucket wash method. Pretty straightforward, guys. But the idea is, when you're moving to a different panel, take a dunk inside the rinse bucket. And here is where you're gonna do all your scrubbing on these walls here to clean off your mitt or your wash pad. So essentially, you wring it out, you're gonna have a clean wash pad again, and then you dunk back into your wash bucket and then proceed with your wash. So you get the drift, guys. It's all about taking every precaution to do a safe contact wash and to prevent scratches and swirls on your paint or your customer's paint. So yeah, man, again, guys, wash bucket, rinse bucket, scrub off, squeeze out to have a new wash pad, and you continue just like that. All right, my people, let's dive into what I use for my wheels. Of course, we got the Easy Detail brush for your barrels. I got this, to be honest, I can't even remember the brand of this brush. I want to believe it's an Adams brush, you know. I could be wrong, but basically for your wheel wells, I have this Wheel Woolies Boar's Hair brush, super delicate. Use this for the face of the rims. I got this smaller version to this Easy Detail brush. I believe this one is a Speedmaster brush though. And for my tire walls, I got a Max Shine brush. Super firm bristles, good for getting the tire walls. Also, can't forget my favorite Max Shine wheel mitt. And also, pretty new to me, I'm gonna give these a try, guys, are these Work Stuff brushes. I heard good things about them. These are the black ones. I think they're marketed to use towards the exterior of the vehicle. Perfect for wheels are here. So you have different sizes, a large, medium, and a small. All right, my people, thank you for tuning in again. You don't know, it's your boy Clean Car Chris. Just a quick one for you guys. Hope you guys found it informative. You don't know, every Wednesday, 4 p.m. Keep it locked. Bless.